So predictably, I actually told my advisors, financial advisors last week, there was going to be a significant pullback in the market. It's too much turbulence, and the stock market doesn't like that. So the market in the spring believed Donald Trump would defeat Joe Biden. And that's what the market, generally speaking, wants to happen, because Trump is a capitalist and the Biden administration governed far left, almost to the socialist realm. And the stock market doesn't want that. Companies don't want that. But once Biden pulled out and Harris started to emerge and is getting traction in the polls, people get nervous. But that isn't the primary reason that stocks are going down. The primary reason is that the United States is a consumer-driven economy. That means you and I drive the company profits by spending. Americans are world-class spenders. We're not savers. We spend. And over the Biden administration, we've spent a lot because there's been a lot of government money flowing into various things. You remember the COVID payments and all that. Okay, so I'm going to break it down and not be an economic pinhead, because you can't understand what these people are saying. But the American public, the consumer, spends money and spends it at a very high level. That buoys companies and corporations. So their stock price goes up because they make more money. That's simple, right? Okay. Now Americans are running out of money because of the high prices. It's appalling how much that retail stores, includes grocery and restaurants and everything, are charging. Not to mention the gas prices. So we are running out of money. And every survey says that most Americans don't have $5,000 to fall back on in case something bad happens. And so we are forced to cut back on spending now. Forced. That's why you're seeing, and remember, the stock market is always ahead. It doesn't react to what happens tomorrow. It reacts to what they think is going to happen in November. They're not sure now whether Harris is going to get in. Remember, Harris has pledged to raise taxes on every corporation and company in this country. And those taxes will be passed on to consumer. That's economic disaster. But most Americans don't understand this, which is why I'm pleased to be delivering this memo to you tonight. Everything is expensive these days, you know that. The government is printing trillions of dollars and consumer prices higher than ever. If the government continues its printing and spending, the dollar could continue its free fall and lose its coveted role as the world reserve currency. Let's hope that doesn't happen. But there are a few things you can do right now. American Hartford Gold can show you how to protect your money, your retirement, your hard-earned savings against inflation by helping you diversify a portion of your portfolio into physical gold and silver. Start with a short phone call, and they can have physical gold and silver delivered right to your door or put inside your 401k or IRA. So please call or text them right now. Tell them Bill O'Reilly sent you. Call 877-444-GOLD, 877-444-GOLD, or text GOLD to 65532. Again, that's 877-444-GOLD, or text GOLD to 65532. Thank you for watching the No Spin News. To watch the full episode anytime on BillO'Reilly.com, please sign up to become a premium or concierge member. Visit BillO'Reilly.com to sign up and start watching today.